How can you send a message to Avast Support? Here are two options that allow you to send a message to Avast Support. Contact Avast Support. Go to the Avast Support web form. Select your inquiry type and click Next. Based on your selection, provide the required information and as much additional information as you believe is necessary. Optionally, attach a file related to your inquiry. For example, if you have been requested to send a memory dump by Avast Support for troubleshooting purposes. Click Submit Request. A confirmation appears and an email is sent to you with the details of your ticket. You will receive a reply from an Avast Support representative by email.